Welcome to the Math and Physics Learning Channel. Today we're taking a tour of the Milky Way Galaxy, our home in the universe. The Milky Way is more than just a band of light we see in the night sky. It's a vast structured system containing stars, planets, dust, dark matter, and the history of our cosmic neighborhood. Let's explore what astronomers know about the galaxy that contains our Sun. The Milky Way is a barbed spiral galaxy, meaning it has a central bar-shaped region of stars with spiral arms extending outward. The diameter is about 100,000 to 120,000 light years, and astronomer estimates it contains 100 to 400 billion stars. Our Sun is just one ordinary member. The Milky Way has a central bulge shaped by bars of stars surrounded by the rotating galactic disk. The spiral arms of the disk contain much of the galaxy's dust, gas, and star-forming regions. Beyond the disk lies the halo, a spherical region filled with ancient stars and globular clusters, along with much of the galaxy's dark matter. The Sun is about 26,000 light-years from the galactic center. Located in the Orion Arm, it orbits the center at roughly 500,000 miles per hour. One full orbit, called a galactic year, takes about 220 million years. Since the Sun's formed, it has completed about 20 such orbits. The center of the galaxy contains a crowded region of stars and dust. At its heart lies Sagittarius A, a supermassive black hole with mass around 4 million suns. We infer its presence from the rapid orbit of the nearby stars. The Milky Way spiral arms are sites of active star formation where dust and gas are compressed by density waves. Nebula, such as the Orion Nebula, are stellar nurseries where new stars and planetary systems are born. A variety of objects surround the Milky Way, including the dwarf galaxies, the large and small magnetic clouds, and old stars, globular clusters, open clusters, emission nebula, and a host of other. One of the mysteries of the galaxy is that it rotates too fast for the visible mass we see. Astronomers explain this by proposing a massive dark matter halo surrounding the Milky Way. Though invisible, dark matter provides a gravitational framework that holds the galaxy together. The Milky Way is moving towards the Andromeda Galaxy. The two galaxies are expected to merge in about 4 to 5 billion years, forming a new, larger galaxy. While stars are unlikely to collide, the structure of both galaxies will probably completely be reshaped. The Milky Way is a vast, dynamic, and still full of mysteries. As telescopes become more powerful, our understanding continues to grow. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more math and physics lessons.